Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to simulate a running LED project within the simulide 1.1.0. So here you can see that on right hand side we have our working window, while on left hand side we have all sort of components available. So first we will go for our Johnson's decade counter, which is 74HC4017. 74HC 40, and this is our Johnson's decade counter. It will help us to do our running LED project. So now you can see that we will just use the output pins and this clock pulse pin, and we are not going to use the master reset and the CE enable pin. So we need some LEDs, so we can go and we can take our LEDs like this. We can copy it out and paste it out. Copy it out and paste it out. Copy it out and paste it out. Copy it out and paste it out like this. Okay, so we can connect the anodes of all the LEDs with the corresponding pins like this and like this. We can leave the last LEDs as it is. No need to connect these out. And we also need to connect all the common pins, that is all the cathode pins of the LEDs with each other, and then we will connect all of these with the ground. So like this. We can click on zoom to fit so that we can see it properly. Arrange it out like this. Also need to take ground. So we will take this ground. And one more thing, that we need one resistor because LEDs cannot tolerate 5 volt. So we have to use current limiting resistor. Okay, like this. So we also need to take clock pulse. So we can go and we can take clock signal, and we will connect it with the CP pin. Now we can run it out. Now we can see that okay, its frequency is very high, so we have to reduce the frequency. Okay, now you can see that LEDs are running but they are very slow. So now we have increased the frequency of the clock to 2 Hz, and now they are fast, a little bit fast. And now then if I will increase it to 3, now it's fast and more fast, and we are having some more speed on 6 Hz and on 7 and 8 and 10 and all this. So now you can see that our output is there. That is, we got that our light is running or our LED light is running. So in this way we can make a very simple simulation while using this simple Johnson's decade counter along with the clock. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can make the whole circuit. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.